The REDMI Pad 2 has just been officially revealed. Let me share its specifications with you since we are witnessing a global launch. We now have a price that is somewhat nearer to what it will actually be, unlike when the launch happens in China. Alright, let's begin by physically describing this tablet. Since it's part of the Redmi series, which is an entry-level line, we can expect that the front bezels, for instance, won't be extremely thin. However, the design on the back is quite appealing. This tablet comes in two color options, mint green and graphite gray. It features a thickness of 7.36 millimeters and has a weight of 510 grams. Its screen measures 11 inches, placing it within a specific segment of screen sizes. Are quite small. It's rare to find a 7 or 8 inch tablet now. Usually the smallest are 10 or 11 inches, fitting this segment. The screen resolution is 1.5K LCD featuring 90 Hz and reaching a peak of 600 nits in brightness. When we compare it to the previous generation, we notice a slight increase in the diagonal size. Regarding the sound, there are 4 speakers that perform quite well. It's important to remember that this tablet is designed with a very economical focus, so we are effectively pairing a high-resolution screen with expansive audio. In addition, we must consider that it comes with Dolby Atmos and jack 3.5mm. Regarding the processor, we will find ourselves with the Helio G100 Ultra from MediaTek, so it is a processor that is sure to give a lot to talk about. There are many people who are a little tired of this processor, but I insist for basic use it'll be great, though more demanding gamers might find it lacking. Obviously, the battery capacity is 9,000 mAh. We see an increase compared to the 8,000 mAh, which the previous generation had. It offers support for 18 watts charging, even though the charger that comes in the box is 22.5 watts. This is a strategy often employed by Xiaomi. Interestingly, through software, we will indeed discover features such as circle to search. Until now, it was more common to find this in. Devices are somewhat pricier. In this particular case, it is an entry-level device, so it is quite remarkable to have this Google Artificial Intelligence search feature included. Moreover, we will also discover a front-facing camera with 5 megapixels, allowing us to has been reduced compared to the original version, which featured 8 megapixels. However, on the back, you will find an 8 megapixel camera, which remains unchanged from the last generation. It includes USB-C connectivity, and you'll also find a microSD card slot to expand the storage capacity. The base model offers 128 gigabytes, but there is also an option for a 256 gigabytes version. The RAM varies between models, offering either 6 or 8 gigabytes. This tablet has recently been launched in various regions including Germany, the UK, the Philippines, and several other areas. The price for the most basic model is set at 10,499 Philippine pesos. In terms of conversion, this would be approximately $187. However, keep in mind that the prices here might differ from those in other locations. Please share your thoughts on this affordable offering from Xiaomi. For pills,